Hi, today I'm gonna give these IKEA Bestå cabinets a stunning makeover. I'm gonna repaint them in another color and I'm gonna use this napkin holder from IKEA for a handle and it's gonna be fabulous. So let's get to it! As you can see now, the cabinets are painted, so now it's time to put the handles in place. First I started to bend them in the angle I wanted, then I cut them into 2 pieces. After that I drilled holes for the screws, so now it's time to put them in place. It's important that you pre-drill the holes for the screws in the doors, otherwise the doors will crack. And there you go, they're finished results. Aren't it stunning? Thanks for watching and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Bye!